Alright guys, welcome back to the Redneck TV channel for audio. Just kidding. But anyway, got some new stuff for us today. Figured you guys like to check it out. Gonna do some unboxing and tell you guys about some updates for the Cadillac and whatnot. Got a nice Pioneer doubled in here and everything to install it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, what we got here, 20 foot of Sky High Audio RCAs. If you didn't know, Amazon has these. I'm going to leave links down in the description so you can just click and go right there to them. Usually it takes about a week for me to get from Sky High themselves, so I just go on Amazon and see if they got it, and I get it in 2 days because of Prime. So, and I'm in Ohio. But yeah, there's that. Got the dash kit, Metro dash kit for the Escalade. Got an RP5 from Pack Audio. This is to retain everything, steering wheel controls, OnStar. Also, if you go on Pack's website, this is $279. Amazon had it for 79 bucks. So check with Amazon. Alright, here's the big beauty itself, the Pioneer. This is the avh-x4800bs. This on Amazon was $279 with free shipping. Comes with a remote, 4-volt pre-outs, pretty much everything but navigation. I don't really use navigation on my head units, I just use my phone anyway. The only bad complaint I seen about this was I guess the Bluetooth was disconnecting here and there, or your phone has to be really close to the head unit. But that was the only negative thing I've seen about it. But I can live with that. Sirius XM radio antenna adapter. This I'm gonna just, it comes with an aftermarket antenna that you run on your dash like a GPS. But I'm gonna actually just tie into my factory antenna, and I'll show you guys how to do that. I believe the Amp Lab on YouTube has the videos on how to do that, but I'll show you guys anyway if you're wondering. But yeah, I think this was like 40 bucks, 39 bucks on Amazon. Right here's the model number. And also for the radio, I got the micro bypass, so the kids can watch movies and stuff on the go. This is real simple to install. I'll get into that in a different video when I'm actually installing it. 5-star car audio on YouTube actually goes over how to do this. And then let's grab this out and take a look at it. Sure you guys ain't gonna be able to read that, but like I said, there's the model number. If you want to check out the specs online, just type that in, it'll pop right up. Manufactured September of 2018. Alright, I guess I'll unbox it for you guys. I mean, I don't know what that's going to do for you, but check it out. A regular old Pioneer remote, Bluetooth microphone, some screws. This is the USB adapter because the USB and the auxiliary are in the back of this unit. They're not on the front. So this is the extension cable so you can bring it out to the front. Here's the wiring harness. This green's the parking brake wire. That's one of the wires that'll go into that micro bypass. Manual. Sorry if that's shaking, guys. I'm on my workbench here. Hoping that tripod will absorb most of the movement. This is really in there. Alright guys, got it out of the box. Here's the back of it. Bunch of stuff going on back here. Go over that later in the install video, what all this stuff means. There's plenty of other videos out there if you guys are curious on what this pretty much has everything. Alright. What that is. But alright guys, let me know if you're running this head unit down below and what your likes and dislikes are on it. Like I said, this is going to be going in a 2006 Cadillac Escalade with 218s. So think about hitting that subscribe button if you guys would like to see that future video. I'm going to go over the full process on putting this in and my journey and whatnot. So stay tuned guys.